Welcome to a quick Did You Know video for SecurityTrax. In today's video, we will explore the Quick Add feature, which is often overlooked but can greatly enhance a user's workflow within the system. No matter where you are at in a customer record, you'll find a Quick Add button located in the top right corner. Clicking this button opens a modal where you can swiftly create various items specifically for that customer. With the right permissions, you can add a wide range of items, including tasks, notes, accounting items, equipment, work orders, and more. This functionality empowers users to quickly create things that impact their workflow the most. Despite its modest appearance, the Quick Add feature significantly boosts efficiency and accessibility. If you have any inquiries or suggestions regarding the Quick Add feature or any other aspect of SecurityTrax, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We are here to assist you.